Hi, it's Josh Campbell with the OSU Extension Office, and I'm going to tell you how to do a simple visual inspection of your home sprinkler system to help you ensure that you're not wasting water and also save water on your monthly water bill as you start to irrigate your landscape this summer. Our sprinkler systems are most of the time running when we're not observing them, and therefore there's maintenance issues and things that could go wrong that we aren't aware of. And so I really recommend that if you have an automatic sprinkler system, you take one time each year to just do a quick run through of each year zone so that you can identify and troubleshoot any problems that may be leading to water waste. First thing you'll do is find your irrigation controller.
You're going to want to check things like, are you watering on the right odd or even day? Most Oklahoma City metro area communities have an odd-even watering schedule, which means that you water on either an odd or even day based on the last number of your address. And so you'll want to make sure that you're watering properly according to the right day of the week or day of the month. You're also going to want to check for your watering schedules. Make sure that you're watering at the time that you expect that you'll be watering. Get an idea of whether you're going to need to tweak any of your settings before you start irrigating for the season.
The second thing you're going to want to do is to actually kick on the system and walk zone by zone through your landscape and just watch all of the different heads in the landscape as they water. Look for issues that could be easily corrected, things that can be adjusted so that heads are spraying onto the grass rather than the sidewalk or the driveway.
Something simple like a head spraying off target can easily be adjusted with just a simple ratcheting to reposition it to its intended target area. If you do happen to notice a problem, it's always handy to have some way to mark the head so that you can come back to it later and make the repair. I like to take an inexpensive flag. You can find these at really any supply store, and I mark the head that's in question, and I'll make a little note on my notepad indicating the repair I need to make.
As you walk through the landscape and look for issues, just look for things that obviously look wrong. Some of these things will be things that you may be able to address yourself. Other things may be more complicated and you may want to seek an irrigation professional to assist you with. And the final thing is to actually make the repairs, to fix the problems in your landscape. Many of the things that you'll discover and you'll encounter can actually be repaired or adjusted simply by you. You may find that some things are a little bit more complicated and you want to hire an irrigation professional. And so you'll just need to assess your level of skill and confidence with those repairs and then make the decision of how to proceed. Conducting the sprinkler system checkup is really a simple process, and we have a great fact sheet that walks you through the entire process of how to do it. It also even has a note section so you can go zone by zone and actually write down notes of what repairs need to be made, so you kind of have a handy little checklist of all the repairs that you would need to do. To learn more about how to do this simple checkup of your home sprinkler system, visit our Simple Irrigation System Checkup for Home Sprinkler Systems fact sheet at facts.okstate.edu.